This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer %20 and %20 Joel %20 Hobson. Hein Park-Outstanding Ben Duke renovation in 2008, plus 2,000 square feet addition in 2022 make this one of the largest and nicest homes in Midtown. 6 bedroom, 5.5 bath including the attached in-law wing west/living room, bedroom, kitchen and bath that is part of the house, but private.Cook's kitchen open to keeping room west/12 ceilings and handsome fireplace. Primary bedroom, luxury bath down west/4 BRS up. Gated drive west/DBL garage, circular drive, 5 HVAC systems, 3 water heaters, covered patio and plenty of yard, 4/10 acre. High ceilings, gorgeous hardwood floors. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer %20 and %20 Joel %20 Hobson at 901-761-1622.